Hey, I'm going to show you how to embed Google Drive links on GoHighLevel websites. Whether it's a document, a presentation, or any file from your Google Drive, this tutorial is going to guide you step by step on how to display it seamlessly on your GoHighLevel site. But before we dive into the details, let me give you a special offer. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, if you use my link in the description below, you will receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, it's a big thank you. I'm giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, they're worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. The first step is to prepare the document that you want to embed on your website. While you can embed various file types, PDFs work best for most use cases because they're easy to view across devices. Open your document and save it as a PDF. Now, most word processing software like Google Docs or Microsoft Word has an option to export or save as a PDF. Now, once the PDF file is ready, we can move on to the next step. After you've saved your document as a PDF, it's time to upload it to Google Drive. Open Google Drive and navigate to the folder where you want to store your file. Click the New button and select File Upload. Choose the PDF file that you just created and upload it to your drive. Now, once the upload is complete, locate the file in your drive and ensure it's accessible for sharing. Now that your file is uploaded, you need to set its sharing permissions. Right-click on the file and select Share. In the Share settings, click on Anyone with the link and make sure the permission is set to Viewer. Now, this ensures that anyone who accesses the file through your website can view it without needing special access. Once the permissions are set, copy the shareable link provided by Google Drive. Now, keep this link handy as we'll use it in the next steps. To display the file on your website, you need an embed code. Now, this is where ChatGPT comes in handy. Open ChatGPT and paste your Google Drive link into the chat, asking it to generate an embed code for you. For example, you could type, "Can you create an embed code for this link?" and paste the link after your question. ChatGPT will quickly generate the embed code, which you can then copy for your use on your GoHighLevel website. Next, log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the website that you want to embed the file on. Go to the Sites section in the left menu and select your website. Click Edit on the specific page where you want the embed to appear. And once you're in the editor, you're ready to add the embedded code. In GoHighLevel's website editor, click on the plus button on the top left side to add a new element. From there, search for the code element. Once you've found it, drag and drop this element onto the page where you want the Google Drive file to appear. With the code element in place, click on it to open the code editor on the right-hand side. Paste the embed code generated by ChatGPT into the code editor. And once you've pasted the code, click the Save button to apply the changes. The file should now be embedded on your page. If needed, you can adjust the size and alignment of the embed by editing the code. After embedding the code, it's always a good idea to preview the page to ensure that everything looks correct. Click the preview icon, which is usually represented by an eye symbol, to see how the page will appear to your visitors. If the embed displays as expected, then you're ready to publish the site. To publish your changes, click the Publish button in the top right corner, and your site will go live with the embedded Google Drive file. Now, if the embed doesn't display correctly, double-click the embed code that you just pasted. Sometimes minor adjustments to the code or permissions on the Google Drive file can resolve issues. You can also experiment with customizing the embed code to center the file or add hover effects depending on your design preferences. And there you have it. You now know how to embed Google Drive links on GoHighLevel websites. Now, this method works for any type of file that you upload to Google Drive. If you'd like to give GoHighLevel a try, you can use my affiliate affiliate link in the description below. Instead of the usual 14-day trial, my link is going to give you a full 30 days to try it out for free. As a bonus, you're going to get access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course to help you set up your business during those 30 days. Go High Level's features can be overwhelming, but my course focuses on what truly matters to help you start making money right away. Plus, you're going to receive over $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates for free, including the Business Hub and Finance Hub. Just click the link in the description to learn more and claim your bonuses. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.